So I would like to share the steps to install Oracle Apex 4.1 on Windows system. Here is the website oracle.com tech network, from where you can download from the archive section 4.1 version of Oracle Apex. Once you have downloaded, place it in a local folder as shown here. And invoke the command prompt and execute the apexins.sql. This script will take about 45-50 minutes to complete. So this is the core script. Once this script is complete, you need to load the image resources for Apex. So connect as sysdb again and run the apex ld.img.sql, giving the top path where the Apex installation script resides. This is going to take about 6 minutes to complete. Once this is done, the final step will be to install the xdb http component. So here the default port is 8080 and it is prompting for the admin user password. So provide a password which will be needed for you to log in later on as a Apex workspace administrator. Once this step is complete, exit the session and invoke the browser, Chrome browser or any other latest internet browser, and go to the local host URL followed by the 8080 port where the xdb http listener is listening. Followed by that, apex_admin will take you to the administrator page. Log in using the credentials what you have supplied in the last step as an administrator. So since it's your first time logging in, you will be prompted to change the password. So make sure that you change the password. And while you change the password, make sure that the password complies to the norm, which is to make sure the new password at least differs by 2 characters from the old password. Now re-enter the new password with the apply the changes. And once you're done, password is now changed. Go back to the URL and re-log in. Here with the new password, the internal workspace is the workspace for our Apex administrator. So once you log in, you will be taken to the home page. Here this is the home page where the functionality to manage the workspace, create new workspace, all those things are there, and that's about it. You've successfully installed Oracle Apex on Windows environment. Thank you very much.